Remember, say bird can't fly on one wing, you know. So 2 man you fi have. 2 man you fi have, not one. Bird cannot fly on one wing. You need 2 wings to balance you. Look on the bird. You need 2 wings. Bird can't fly on one wing, baby. So what you say? How that? All that is thinking shabba.
No.
How that? Gal them sugar bean man.
No.
How that? Yow! Popcorn.
No.
They better go smooth and style it to cousin. How that? Alkaline.
No.
Anyway, it's your boy JWG JAMAICA'S came with another reaction, and today, people, we are reacting, breaking down. To Central C loading. See that? Central C loading. But before we do anything else, do this. That's right, like before you watch, because you don't know what we're going to go on already. Let me get my trusty headphones. I paid a lot of money for them, so make sure them are work good, you know? So yeah, alright, them look good, them are work good, alright. So we're going to break down that one here. Never heard of this artist. Someone point me in the direction of this artist. So I'm going to react to it. And YouTube, I'm still not happy with you. Because I know I'm going to release my Stormzy song yet. Rainfall. See the thumbnail, yeah? Thumbnail up. The song up. The video up. But YouTube does not release it. Like, I'm them block it. So I'm disputed, so let's wait for them to get back. If me say if it take 3 years, 1, 2, 3 out the door that the birds fly on, years, me still I dispute it. One the video that up, because the video nice. Alright, so as usual, I'm water is here. You know? So let's just jump straight to it without any further delays. Let's go.
Production. See, don't be on the road too tough, but I still cut you with the local tugs.
This is the next drill one then. Look like it's the next drill one. So you know, so the words are gonna be quiet. You know? So him start off in the on the road. Him say not the on the road too, not too much, but him out with the thugs. He want some youth out here, so I can see what I'm dealing with.
I ran off the plug, but I kept it real and I showed him love. Little bro got the poker touch, where we grow up is so corrupt. Fancy me on the block, go nuts, I'm not in my bag, I'm loading.
Man say, yeah, wish we grow up is so tough. Wish we grow up time tough. Like, no work there, no job now go on, nothing there, but we have to dep on the road and make it go on for your family, for yourself. But the police, them always after me. That is what he's saying. Not me. Once again, I'm breaking it down in my way. And you know, so my channel different from all the other reaction channel. You know what I mean? Yeah. Let's go, man.
Back then it was hand to hand, nowadays I don't have no involvement. In the trap I stay on my own, I'm home alone, Macaulay coking.
Man, say back in the days.
Fancy me on the block, go nuts, I'm not in my bag, I'm loading. Back then it was hand to hand, nowadays I don't have no involvement.
Ah, got it. Don't laugh after me again. He said back in the days, it was hand to hand. Back in the days, I was on the road. Back in the days, I was doing what I had to do. Full on, I was on the street corner doing what I needed to do. But now, basically, me not have no involvement. Me just make the youngers them go and go do what them do. Or me have people around the road for me. Lights up! Smart. Not that's nosy. Smart. Yeah. Say no involvement in it right now. So police can just stay away from me. Get up. Get the elbow them. You understand? That man I say. Not me. Police, don't. That's not me.
Not in my bag, I'm loading. Back then it was hand to hand, nowadays I don't have no involvement. In the trap I stay on my own, I'm home alone, Macaulay coking.
Word player. Stay alone, home alone. The home alone, you know? Home alone, 1, 2, 3, and 4. I think which was your favorite Home Alone? My Home Alone, I think, was what? The first and the second one? That was the original Molly McCaughlan, whatever his name is. That guy that with the pan drugs now. You know him I do with him life. But yeah, but back in the days, like his episodes was my favorite ones. The next you would forward in and come do him thing, but nothing special.
Why J no commented that it's complicated, could the case still open? The boys in blue trying to find them clues in the station, problem solving.
And so the police might try find case spanning, but right now, like him say him have a case, but I for the team say, me not pull it back. Like him say him have a case right now, but him can't really say too much because the boy them in blues, police them are really a pre, yeah.
Bro just jumped out the ride with a mask on face like he dodging COVID. Jumped off the porch and went my own way, no way I don't owe no orders. Free all the guys and rest in peace to all of the fallen soldiers.
The man say him friend just up out of the car, or him just up out of the car. You see me? Him just up out of the car like with mask up like COVID. Obviously it's not the COVID mask, it's rare. You see me? Him just mask up out there like with the COVID mask thing. You see me? You know? Him say free up all them dogs them, and RIP to the real one them are gone. You know? You have to pay your dues, you have to pay your honors to the one them drop out. So big up them type of man there. You understand? We remember where them are forward from and know which part them are go. Because if you don't know where you're forwarding from, you cannot know where you're going. So big up the dead one them, big up the one them in a prison. You know, no. Prison will make for dog. So, you know the thing go. Big up the man them. For the man, walk one so.
The world full up of impactive distractions, so we all lose focus.
In full of power?
Fallen soldiers. The world full up of impactive distractions, so we all lose focus.
The world full up of what, sir? What did you say? Me never hear you. What you say?
Peace to all of the fallen soldiers. The world full up of impactive distractions, so we all lose focus.
Something he put up like him speak a different language just a while ago. Me not hear him say this. So. Sorry, dog. Me never hear him say this. So. Me can't reply that. Me don't know what you say.
I think out loud, what comes out my mouth, I can't control it. Live yours on a chain, I'm sold it. Soon come out with a custom clothing.
Man say, yo. Him soon come out with them custom clothing. Don't know, sir. He's doing from one thing. So basically, he's a musician now, so he's going on the business side of things. Him soon come out with them custom clothing. Him said something before.
Cause on my mouth, I can't control it. Live yours on a chain, I'm sold it. Soon come out with a custom clothing. Fuck's sake, you must be joking. Sid's outside of the cup patrolling. How did they know about the ins and outs? Somebody must have told them.
Police them know which part we lack with things. The police them know which part we do with business. The police them know everything about it. The police them want to find out some more. Somebody in the camp a leak. Or a leak. If it's not the camp, it's the neighbors. Neighbors, I don't know. I don't know tell police what going over here. I don't know tell. See and blind, hear and deaf. Walk and live, talk and bumbuckler dead. You hear that? Leave it alone. Yeah, what you see here, when you something like that.
I was rooting for you. We were all rooting for you. How dare you?
When you come here, what you see here, when you leave here, make it stay here. That the man I say, yo, somebody a chat. And more likely, I probably want them friend them attack we get well amp and we can't take the pressure. So we got the man them we can hold the pressure, cause the pressure is not easy, especially when you have some police sit down in front of you and do them thing. The pressure is not easy, people. The pressure not easy, dog. That me I try to tell you. You understand? So you have to know if you're not bad, you have to bad all the way through the court system back to prison. You have to bad. You can't just bad halfway. You can't just bad halfway. You see me? You can't do that. That's not in the book. So if you're not bad, you're not bad and bad. Bad. That get it? Makes sense? Bad and bad. Let's go.
See, don't be on the road too tough, but I still cut you with the local tugs. Coulda ran off the plug, but I kept it real and I showed him love. Lil' bro got the poker touch, where we grow up, it's so corrupt. Fancy me on the block, go nuts, I'm not in my bag, I'm loading.
And just repeat him chorus just again. If him not like bag, him just a load him thing. Him just a load up him money, man do him thing, you know? Like me say, him have people work for him. Big him up. Central C, at the first man you bought the artist are still.
Back then it was hand to hand, nowadays I don't have no involvement. In the trap I stay on my own, I'm home alone, Macaulay Culkin. Why J no commented that it's complicated, could the case still open?
Yeah, the music video is just simple. The music video is just very simple. It's like him just hang out with them friend them outside beside of some garage, I believe, and out on the streets just do them thing and just enjoy and just make a music video. That's it's effective to what I must say. You understand? It's effective.
The boys in blue trying to find them clues in the station, problem solving. See, don't do no fraud, that trap, say yo to the local cat. See me on the road.
I like that part there. I'm gonna pull it up though, but me hear what I'm saying the first time, but if I can pull it up, remember what I'm saying. Water. Water. First set of water you bring up.
Problem solving. See, don't do no fraud, that trap, say yo to the local cat.
Man say yo, when you up on the road and see the local cat, the local junk, the local native, the local crackheads. Him just say, yo, what go on? You know? The man say, yo, hey, what's up, see? You know, you got that good stuff, that icky, that you know? That's the one I say, you see me? So you know, say, anyway, him see the cat them, him big them up and show them respect. But the cat them also show them respect. You don't know, because you don't know. You have some cat when them see them not see, you know. Them not see, especially them, yeah, you have some cats see so. But the man I tell you straight, yo, when I see them, show them respect, because them make me do me there. Them give me money. Police, I'm not saying anything. Police. Alright, let's go.
See me on the road all black, my foot on the gas and I won't fall back. Bro, been in the jail and he won't go back. I fought bare holes and he ain't all that. I'm missing their cool and I won't phone back.
I can't make it go too far now, because him say him brother go to prison already, and him brother say him nah go back. Him say him touch prettier girls and they're not all that. Yeah, you see me? Him just put in some rhyme yourself, which nice song.
It's time now find me a wife. More time I don't have no type, but I wouldn't mind me a Leah man. Okay. Treat her right, I try. Find no things in life I back.
Well,
But I wouldn't mind me a Leah man. Okay. It's time now find me a wife. More time I don't have no type, but I wouldn't mind me a Leah man. Okay.
Aliyah of mine. Aliyah of mine. I mean, Aliyah were dead. Aliyah. I have no type, but more time I would like to find me a Aliyah of mine. That him say, or him call a different girl name where me don't know who them attack. Leave it in the comment section where him just say people.
Treat her right, I try. Find no things in life I buy. Wanna wine and dine, that's fine. If we go uptown, gotta hold that. Wanna fly Dubai tonight, lastminute.com, I'll book that flight.
Man say lastminute.com and book him flight. So film thing no plan, lighter. Film thing no plan. And you know, so when time, like say example, yeah, fly out, go up on holiday. The closer you leave it to the time when you want to go, the more expensive it gonna be. So for him, it's not a problem. For him, it's not a problem because him having money. So him can book it tonight and him fly out tomorrow morning. That is how unpredicted he is. You know, that is how spontaneous he is. That is how unorganized he is. Cause he's unorganized. Yeah, that must say. Big up yourself, Central.
See, don't be on the road too tough, but I still cut you with the local tugs. Could have ran off the plug, but I kept it real and I showed him love. Little bro got the poker touch, where we grow up is so corrupt.
Little bro got the poker touch. The poker touch, what I'm saying? The little bro got the what?
I kept it real and I showed him love. Little bro got the poker touch, where we grow up is so corrupt.
Oh, the poker talk. Oh, the poker talk. The knife talk. Okay, because which part of them grew up it's so corrupt. Right now, them the food that, them the road that eat a box lunch and thing, you know?
Fancy me on a block, go nuts, I'm not in my bag, I'm loading. Back then it was hand to hand, nowadays I don't have no involvement.
Yo, the night part of the video clean like Jesus police record. The night part of the video clean like a done spitting book in a high school. The night part of the video clean like it living in one bleach buckle. Just look on the scenery and look on him. Just look on the scenery and look on him. Everything clean about the video, dog. But like it.
In the trap, I stay on my own, I'm home alone, Macaulay Culkin. YJ no commented that it's complicated, cause the case still open. The boys in blue trying to find them clues in the station, problem solving.
Clean, video clean. A film by 𝐂𝐓𝐒. Hey, bird, fly out of my, hey, come out of my video, where did the video pick? Bird. I'm to your bird. Ladies. If you don't have a man, you don't want the next one. You don't want the next man. Remember, say bird can't fly on one wing, you know. So 2 man you have. 2 man you have, not one. Bird cannot fly on one wing. You need 2 wings to balance you. Look on the bird. You need 2 wings. Bird can't fly on one wing, baby. So what you say? Listen to my best chat up line. Baby, what you say? Me can be your man, you know. She go say, me have a man already mess up, me no business. Bird can't fly on one wing, you know, one to your bay. Bird can't fly on one wing. Look on the bird there. You see a two wing a balance him. One man alone can't balance you. Look at your hat. Look at your hat like summer in Egypt. Look at your hotter than hell. Look at your hat. Look at your hat like you can melt metal. Girl, your hat. Girl, your hat. Not H-O-T, no. H-A-T. Girl, your hat. No. A-T. Girl, your hat. Yeah, girl, your hat.
Harbour Production.
Video clean, brother. Video clean, brother. Video clean. Video very clean. Your lives. Done? Guys, if you enjoyed the video, you should like it from the start, like what I said, like before you watch. You know the score. If you're new around here, just visiting this channel, well forward. Big up all of the new sub them that just joined. And big up all of the people them who support me from where they are one. Big up my gaming channel also. I have a gaming channel. You can check it out. The link is in the description. And big up, no, me not big up YouTube. YouTube, go ahead because you blocked the video with Stormzy dog. And we need a video there for release. We want the video. We want the video. We want the video. YouTube, what you do? Release the video, man. Release. Anyway, people, what time is it? I'm gonna watch. Later, yeah, man. Gone. Is it? Yeah, man. Later, man.